2016 was a busy year in science, but before we get to our breakthrough of the year, here are the runners-up. Proteins are nature's most powerful and versatile molecules. Now, chemists have learned to design novel proteins, never before seen in nature. Among the first fruits, a potential vaccine against all strains of the flu, and tiny molecular cages that could ferry drugs around the body. A decade ago, many experts thought a computer could never defeat the world's best human players of Go. It is one of the most computationally demanding games. But this year, artificial intelligence researchers shocked the experts. Their program, AlphaGo, soundly beat a human Go champion. For the first time, scientists have turned mouse stem cells into fertile eggs that yielded healthy mouse pups. If the technique works in people, it could revolutionize fertility treatments. Astronomers have found an Earth-sized planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star just over 4 light-years away. The planet may be just the right temperature for water to be a liquid at its surface. Scientists have long argued about how and when Homo sapiens left Africa. This year, 3 teams of scientists looked carefully at the genomes of people living all over the world. And they published 3 studies that basically agree. Most of the ancestors of people living outside of Africa today left Africa in one great single wave of migration. These pocket-sized DNA sequencers read the DNA molecule as it is pulled, base by base, through a tiny pore. That enables scientists to do quick, on-the-spot sequencing of pathogens and ecosystems, even in space. Using techniques that cut patterns into computer chips, researchers etched a forest of tiny pillars into a transparent material. That enabled them to create a meta-lens. It does everything that a traditional glass lens does, but is thinner than a sheet of paper and far lighter than glass. Get set for even sleeker smartphone cameras and better virtual reality headsets. In several studies, researchers showed that eliminating worn-out cells could make mice less prone to some diseases of aging, and it could extend their lives by 20%. Now, human trials are taking aim at the role of senescent cells in arthritis. In a clever experiment that involved video and a man in an ape suit, researchers showed that chimps, orangutans, and bonobos understand when another ape holds a false belief. That shows they have theory of mind, which some researchers had thought was unique to humans. And now, the breakthrough of the year. Early this year, scientists at LIGO confirmed one of Albert Einstein's boldest predictions, that whirling masses can shake the very fabric of space-time, generating tiny ripples. Using instruments in Louisiana and Washington State, they detected gravitational waves. The discovery opens the door to new ways of listening to our universe and thinking about how it works.